remove the seat to where it actually is partially off, of course, and now it's kind of locking up. Any other time it takes 2 seconds. But so I removed the seat just so I can see down inside. This one is a different chair than the ones we're having a problem with, but we don't have any here. It's a side activated, and so this one is a top activated, so it's going to be slightly different. This one has a set screw. The side activateds that Steelcase is putting out now don't have a set screw. They'll have a little bar that comes across to activate the activation on the pneumatic cylinder. So that is getting stuck, wedged inside the control. So I remove this, so I just take and you'll be able to see it, it'll look like a little silver bar running across. I just take the seat off to here so I can push it back with a screwdriver. Then I just take the handle and just drop it down, and this bar will be wedged inside. It's basically a tongue. It activates off of the lever itself. This tongue, you can hear that jiggling. That's the way it's supposed to be. But when you first take off this handle, until you pop that back, this is going to be in there tight and you won't be able to move it. But once it's loose, I just take a screwdriver underneath it and I wedge it up. I basically try to flatten this tongue because it has an angle to it, and the angle is a little too severe and it's getting stuck inside the opening of the control that the tongue sticks out of. And by actually flattening this little tongue, you can actually then flip the handle back up. This one is slightly different. The other one that has the problem, it's flat edged right here, the end of the tongue, and it will fit underneath on the opposite side, so it actually butts up to adjacent to the back side of the handle here. This one actually overlaps and it's got a little nipple on there, and that is what helps push it up and activate it. But once you straighten out this lever, you just take a screwdriver in and just wedge it up, and it works every time. And that's pretty much it.